The Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, or JLTV, represents a significant advancement in military vehicle technology. Originally conceived as a replacement for the aging Humvee, the JLTV program aimed to provide enhanced protection and mobility. Oshkosh Defense initially developed the LATV, which was selected as the winner of the JLTV competition. The JLTV offers a level of protection comparable to MRAP vehicles, while maintaining superior maneuverability. This was a critical factor in its design, addressing the limitations of up-armored Humvees. The need for the JLTV became apparent during the Iraq War due to the increasing use of IEDs. Humvees, often unarmored, proved vulnerable to these threats, leading to significant losses. Adding armor to Humvees improved protection but compromised mobility and reliability. MRAP vehicles offered better protection against IEDs, but their size and weight limited their off-road capabilities. The JLTV program sought to combine the protection of MRAPs with the mobility of lighter vehicles. Oshkosh Defense, a major player in the defense industry, played a crucial role in the JLTV's development. Oshkosh Corporation, the parent company, reported net sales of $8.4 billion in fiscal 2022. The company's defense segment is a significant contributor to its overall revenue. Oshkosh Defense's main products include tactical vehicles, fire apparatus, and access equipment. Key locations for Oshkosh Defense include its headquarters in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, and various manufacturing facilities across the U.S. Oshkosh employs a diverse workforce, including engineers, manufacturing specialists, and program managers. The JLTV program has been a major undertaking for the U.S. military. Initial requirements called for a substantial number of vehicles for the Army, Marine Corps, Air Force, and Navy. As of January 2022, the Army's requirement was approximately 49,099 JLTVs. The Marine Corps planned to acquire around 12,500 vehicles. The Air Force and Navy had smaller requirements, dependent on funding. The Marine Corps achieved initial operational capability with the JLTV in 2019. This marked a significant milestone for the program. The Army subsequently recompeted the right to manufacture the JLTV beginning with the A2 variant. In 2023, AM General was selected as the winner of this recompete. This decision introduced a new player into the JLTV program. AM General has a long history of producing military vehicles. They are known for their expertise in light tactical vehicle design and manufacturing. AM General's key products include the Humvee and now, the JLTV A2 variant. Their headquarters are located in South Bend, Indiana. AM General employs a skilled workforce across various disciplines. Oshkosh Defense will continue to produce JLTVs into early 2025. They also retain the right to produce JLTVs for direct commercial sale. This could open up new markets for the vehicle. The JLTV program has faced various challenges and changes over the years. Requirements have fluctuated based on evolving needs and priorities. The shift in manufacturers from Oshkosh to AM General represents a significant development. The JLTV is designed to perform a variety of roles on the battlefield. It can be configured for troop transport, command and control, and weapons carrying. The vehicle's modular design allows for easy adaptation to different mission requirements. The JLTV incorporates advanced technologies to enhance its performance and survivability. These include advanced armor, suspension systems, and communication equipment. The JLTV is a key component of the U.S. military's modernization efforts. It will play a vital role in future military operations. The program's success is crucial for maintaining the U.S. military's competitive edge. The JLTV represents a significant investment in the future of military vehicle technology. It is expected to remain in service for many years to come. The Joint Light Tactical Vehicle will provide enhanced capabilities and protection to U.S. troops.